Hello guys, today we're going to be doing Math Chapter 5, Section 4, 5, 6 and 7. And if you did not watch my previous video, make sure to check it out. Okay. Question 1. 607 times 4. 4 times 7 equals 28. Okay, 2 up. 4 times 0 equals 0. We add the 2. And now it becomes 2. And 4 times 6 equals 24. So it's 2,428. Question 2. Okay, 327 times 6. Okay, 6 times 7 equals 42. 4 up. 6 times 2 equals 12. We add that 4 equals 16. And now the 1 goes up. 6 times 3 equals 18. And now we add that 1 equals 19. It says 1962. Question 3. 173. Okay. Owen has $173 in his bank account. Michael has 5 times as much as his money. Owen in his bank account. How many dollars does Michael have in his bank account? We'll do 173 times 5. 3 times 5 equals 15. 5 down, 1 up. 5 times 7 equals 35. We add that 1 equals 36. And now we add the 3 up. So it's 5 times 1 equals 5. And then we add the 3. 865. Okay, question 4. 84 times 6. 6 times 4 equals 24. 2 up. 6 times 8 equals 48. And then we add that 2 equals 504. Question 5. 42 times 6. 6 times 2 equals 12. 1 up. 6 times 4 equals 24. We add that 1 equals 25. 252. Okay, here. 325 times 8. 8 times 5 equals 40. 325 times 8. 5 times 125 equals 5 times 8 equals 5 equals 40. 4 up. 8 times 2 equals 16. And we add that 4 equals 20. No, we add that equals, the answer equals 16. We add that 4. Now the answer is 20. Okay. Question 6. 325 times 8. 5 times 8 or 8 times 5 equals 40. Put the 0 down. Now 4 up. 8 times 2 equals 16. We add the 0. Okay, and now put up 2 here. 8 times 3 equals 18. We add that 2. No, 24, and then we add that 2, and it equals 2,600. 27 times 6. 6 times 2 equals 42. 4 up. 6 times 2 equals 12. We add that 4 equals 162. Question 8. Okay. 8 times 54 or 54 times 8. 8 times 4 equals 32. 3 up. 8 times 5 equals 40. We add that 3 equals 432. Okay, here. 7,605 times 3. 3 times 5 equals 15. 1 up. Okay, 3 times 0 equals 0. We add that 1. And 3 times 6 equals 18. 8 down, 1 up. 3 times 7 equals 21. Not 22. Okay, now it's 22,850. Okay, 3,157 times 6. 6 times 7 equals 42. 6 times 5 equals 30. We add that 4. 34. 3 up. 6 times 1 equals 6. We add that. Now that is 9. 6 times 8. 3 equals 18. The answer is 18,942. 2,143 times 5. 5 times 3 equals 15. Okay, 1 up. 5 times 4 equals 20. We add that 1. 2 up. Okay, now 5 times 1 equals 5. We add that 7. Now it's a 7. 5 times 2 equals 10. 8 times 8 times 327, or 327 times 8. Okay. 8 times 7 times 8 equals 56. 6 down, 5 up. 6 times 2 equals 12. We add that 5 equals 17. 1 up. 8 times 3 equals 24. We add that 1 equals 25. 26. The answer is 2,616. Now here. 27 times 6. Oh wait, 6. Okay. 6 times 7 equals 42. 2 down, 4 up. 6 times 2 equals 12. We add that 4. 162. 276 times 4. What? So 4 times 6 equals 24. 4 times 7 equals 28. We add that 2 equals 0. 3 up. 4 times 2 equals 8. We add that 3 equals 114. 1104. Okay, now, okay, 246 times 7 equals 7 times 6 equals 42. 4 up. 7 times 4 equals 28. We add that 4 equals 32. 7 times 2 equals 14. We add that 3. Now the answer is 722. Okay, now 157 times 8 equals 8 times 7 equals 56. 5 up. 8 times 5 equals 40. We add that 5 equals 45. 4 up. 8 times 1 equals 8. We add that 4. And the answer is now 12. 1,256. Okay, 257 times 8. 8 times 7 equals 56. 8 times 5 equals 40. We add that 5. 8 times 2 equals 16. We add that 4 equals 2056. Okay, now on to the next section. Section 5, chapter 5, section 5. Okay. Here it's super easy. 500 times 30, or 5 times 3 equals 15. We add those zeros at the end, so it's 15,000. Question 2. 6 times 4 equals 6 times 4 equals 24. We add the 2 zeros at the end. The answer is 2,400. Okay. 8 times 3 equals 24. We add the 2 zeros at the end. 2,400. Okay. 8 times 5 equals 40. We add the 3 zeros at the end. 40,000. Okay, yeah, how many trailing... Now here, this question asks how many trailing zeros are there in a product of 60 times 2,000, okay? 6 times 2 equals 12,000. We add the 3 zeros at the end, the answer is 4. There are 20 chocolates in a gift. How many chocolates are there in 40 gifts? 2 times 4 equals 8. And then we add the 2 zeros at the end, 800. Six times 7 equals 42. We add the 3 zeros. Okay. 7 times 4 equals 28. We add the 2 zeros. Now the answer makes it 2,800. 4 times 9 equals 36. We add the 2 zeros. That is 3,600. D. 5 times 2 equals 10. We add the 3 zeros, 10,000. And it's because also it's 10,000 since we add like this 0 was alone, since like 5 times 2 equals 10. Seven times 9 equals 63. Also here, same. And now there's 3 zeros, 63,000. Here's 630,000 since there's 4 zeros. And now here is 7 times 9 equals 63 too. And now there's 5 zeros, so the answer is 6,300,000. Okay, here. Okay, 5 times 8 equals 40. We add the 3 zeros and then 1 zero alone, since 5 times 8 equals 40, so there's 1 zero alone, so 40,000. Here, 5 times 8 equals 50 times 8,000 equals 400,000, since there's 3 zeros, but then we add the 1 zero. No, there's 4 zeros here, and we added 1 zero, so the answer is 400,000. And 50 times 80,000, there's 5 zeros here, 1 zero alone, so the answer is 4 million. Okay, yeah. Okay, so I want 30 times 20. So 3 times 2 equals 6. And then we add the two zeros, so answer is 600. Okay, now chapter 5, section 6. And this one's very easy. Okay, here 5 times 9 equals 45. Add the two zeros, 4,500. 7 times 2 equals 14. You add the two zeros, 1,400. Here, we round the 60, so now it's 70, and then times it by 5, or times it by 50 equals 3,500. Okay, 67, we round it to 70 again, 2, and now the answer is 1,400. Okay, now here, 55 becomes 60, so the answer is 1,200 since we times it by 20. Now, the last section, section 7. Okay, here. 27 times 59. Okay, 9 times 7 equals 63. Okay. And now 9 times 2 equals 18. We add that 6 equals 24. And now we add the 0. 5 times 7 equals 35. And 5 times 2 equals, and we add the 3. And now the answer is 3 here. Plus them. Okay, that now here is 3 because we plus it by nothing. And now here, and now here 35. 5 times 4 equals 9. And now 3 plus 2 equals 5. And now we add the 1,593. Here. Okay, question 2. There are 24 hours in a day. How many hours are there in 55 days? So 55 times 24. Okay. 4 times 5 equals 20. 0 down, 2 up. 4 times 5 equals 20, and then we add that 2 equals 22. 0. Okay. 2 times 5 is 0. Okay. 1. 2 times 5 is also another 0. We add that 1, which is 1. Okay, now we plus it. 0, 2, 3, 1. And it's 1,320. Question 3. Okay. 67 times 31. 7, 6. Okay, now 0. 3 times 7 equals 21. Okay, now 3 times 6 equals 18. You add that 2 equals 2 zeros. Now we plus them 7. 7 7, then 0 to 2077. Now 54 times 37. Okay. 7 times 4 equals 28. 7 times 5 equals 35. We add that to 37. 0 here. 3 times 4 equals 12. 1 up. 15, that's 6. Now we plus them. 8, 9, 1, 1, 2. Okay, the answer is 1998. 28 times 35. Now we times it. 5 times 8 equals 40. 0 down, 4 up. 8 times 3 equals 24. Add that to equals 28. And now here's 0. And here's 2 times 5 equals 0 here. And now we add that 1. Now that's 2 times 6 equals 6. 2 times 3 equals 6. And then we add that 1 equals 7. Now I plus it. Equals 9. Equals 980. Okay, now here. 38 times 25. Let's say it's 0. No, that's 0 here. And now 4 up. 5 times 3 equals 15. We had the 4 equals 198. Okay, now 0 here. 2 times 8 equals 16. Now equals 16. Now we add that 2 times 3 equals 6. We add that 1 equals 7. Plus that's 5 here. 8 here. And that's 0. Here's 0 here. And now we add the 1 here. That's 950. Okay, now here. 36 times 18. 8 times 6 equals 48. And 8 times 3 equals 24. We add that 2 equals 2. Okay, now 0 here. Okay, now 1 times 6 equals 6. Now that's 3 here. Plus 8 here. 4 here. 1. 6, 4, 8. 58 times 31. 1 times 8 equals 8. 1 times 5 equals 5. We add a 0. Okay, now it's 3 times 8 equals 24. We add the 2 here, 4 here. Wait, no, 0 here. And now 3 times that's 24. Okay, 3 to 15. Now we add that 2 equals. The answer is 179. Okay, now 17 times 59. Okay, now here times it. 9 times 7 equals 63. 6 up. Now here's a 9. Now it's 54. No, wait a minute. One second. 17 times 59. Okay, now it times 9 times 7 equals 63. Okay, now 9 times 1 equals 9. And now I have 6. And now 1. Okay, now 0 here. Now 5 times 7 equals 35. 5 times 1 equals 5, and we add the 3 equals 8. Plus that. 1003. Okay, now here. Okay, now C. 53 times 53. Okay. 3 times, and now the answer is 9. Times it by, that's 159, that's 0. 5 times 3 equals 15. 1 up. Okay, now that's 15 too. Now here's 15. Wait, no, here's 5 times, okay, 5 times 5 equals 25. Now, that's not a 6, now we plus it. 9, 0, 2. The answer is 2,809. 94 times 67. Okay, now 7 times 4 equals 28. Okay, now 7 times 63, 6, 5. Okay, now 0 here. Now 2 and 6 times 4 equals 24. 2 up. Okay, now 6 times 9 equals 54. Add that, and now it's 56. Now plus 8, 9, 6, 2, 9, 8. Okay, thank you guys for watching. I hope it'll help you in your exam.